from VACC, Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption, sa aming kaibigan sa Central Civic Association Inc. Kami taus-pusong bumabati po sa inyo na happy, safe, peaceful 7th year anniversary po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po for your good deeds sa volunteerism nyo in firefighting to keep us safe from fires and other dangerous events, no? So kami continuous ang monitoring namin sa inyo at kami natutuwa, no, just like our group. Kami naman nakafocus po kami sa peace and order, and also ang mission and vision namin is yung isang bansa free from crime and corruption. So kami po natutuwa na may katuwang kami to keep us safe, no, from all disasters, national disasters, in particular po yung sunog, no, your fight against fire prevention, mga initiatives nyo, yung volunteerism nyo. Nakakatuwa po, ano, it takes one to understand one, ano, pare-parehas tayong volunteer, no pay, no hazard, no hazard pay. So again, mag-iingat po kayo. Happy anniversary po sa inyo, and more years of anniversary continuous. At let's update po, magtulungan po tayo. At from VACC, our snappiest salute to all the men and women of your group. Keep safe. God bless.